Hello guys, today I have the Xiaomi Mijia smart audio glasses and I'm going to show you and tell you if you do have any application available for this device on your smartphone. It doesn't matter if it's an Android phone or an iPhone, the answer is yes. You do get an application, and this application is called the Xiaomi Glasses. Let me show you this application in the Play Store. And at the Play Store, here, wait a moment, I need to tap understood. Once you enter the Play Store, you need to go to search and Xiaomi Glasses. Xiaomi Glasses from Beijing, Xiaomi Mobile Software Co. Ltd. That's this application, and if you want to know how to set up these glasses with this application, check out on because I have a video for that. Goodbye.